According to the Holy Bible, every human is a descendant of Adam and Eve, the first humans to ever live on Earth. Science partly backs this theory, albeit with some interesting differences. First, the scientific versions of Adam and Eve were not the first humans ever. Second, we're not their direct offspring. Instead, every man is descended from the man, and every woman is descended from the woman. In 2012, archaeologists unearthed a bone fragment from Denisova Cave in Siberia. The bone was part of the shin or thigh of an ancient human they named Denisova 11. DNA tests subsequently revealed that Denisova 11 was female, lived around 50,000 years ago, and was over 13 years old at the time she died. She was also a hybrid of two species of early humans, the Neanderthal and the Denisovan. Speaking of interbreeding, DNA tests have proven that Tibetans are descendants of the Denisovans. This does not mean Tibetans are Denisovans, they are Homo sapiens. One of their Homo sapien ancestors just happened to mate with a Denisovan. In 1903, scientists uncovered the 10,000-year-old remains of a British man in a cave in Cheddar Gorge, Somerset, England. A 2018 DNA analysis of the man, who they call the Cheddar Man, revealed that he had either dark brown or black skin, with curly black hair and blue eyes. In 2012, archaeologists from the University of Leicester started digging at a car park in Leicester. The parking lot was the site of the former Church of the Greyfriars, where King Richard III was supposedly buried. They found the remains of the monarch there, making Richard III famous for being the king whose remains were found under a car park. King Tutankhamun remains one of the most famous pharaohs to rule over Egypt. He started ruling when he was just 10 and died around 1324 BC, when he was just 19. Archaeologists excavated his tomb in 1922. Surprisingly, they found it intact, complete with precious stones including gold. The Clovis people are believed to be the first settlers of America. They reached North America 13,000 years ago, moved to South America 11,000 years ago, and disappeared 9,000 years ago. However, in 2018, DNA tests on ancient humans revealed that the Clovis culture were not the first people to settle in the Americas. It is often said that Christopher Columbus's voyage introduced several deadly diseases, including tuberculosis, to the Americas in the late 15th century. These diseases ended up killing 90% of the Native American population. However, DNA tests tell otherwise. Seals introduced tuberculosis to the Americas long before Columbus arrived. A 2016 paper by researchers led by the Liverpool School of Tropical Medicine revealed that Viking descendants have a higher than usual risk of developing a serious lung problem called emphysema. Normally, smokers are the likeliest to suffer from emphysema. Researchers have always suspected that malaria contributed to the fall of ancient Rome. However, they have now confirmed that malaria did indeed plague ancient Rome and contributed to its demise. Scientists made this discovery in 2011 when they analyzed the remains of 47 babies and toddlers excavated from an ancient Roman villa in Lugnano, Italy. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel.